Hi everyone, I'm Esther from Essie Cooks. I'm super excited to do an unboxing with you all today. I just received my mushroom growing kit from minimushroomfarms.ca. They sent it to me. I'm so excited about this. I have never grown mushrooms before, so I got the oyster growing mushroom kit. And I had to wait to open this on camera, so I am very excited to find out what all they sent me and how I'm gonna even start going about using it. So let's do the unboxing. I opened it up and then I was like, nope, I gotta open this on camera. So I closed it back up. All right, let's see what we got in here. Okay, little tissue, eco-friendly. All right, let's take a second to appreciate this gorgeous packaging. I love it. It's beautiful so far. So let's see what's inside. I've got so much more in there, I can't wait to open, but let's see what's inside this part here. Okay, so inside here, this looks like this is the little growing tent. There's a little mister, a clear little tent. I believe this is where we're going to be growing the oyster mushrooms. It came with some little alcohol pads. Not sure what I'll be needing those for, but good to note. And just some cute pink tissue. Oh my goodness, they sent me a bunch of dried mushrooms for cooking. I'm so excited about these. I'm gonna be able to make such meaty vegan dishes. And mushrooms are so good for you. There's so many health benefits. Oh, look at these dried mushrooms. These are beautiful. I absolutely love the logo, the packaging, the Mini Mushroom Farms. They have like a gold packaging. I'll be honest with you, I actually haven't cooked with dried mushrooms in a long time. I don't even remember how, but it can't be that hard. I'm gonna figure it out. I have so many good mushroom recipes to make, so I'm very excited about this. So more, oh my goodness, I wonder if these are the dried up lion's mane. I've been dying to get my hands on some lion's mane mushrooms because they are so good for replicating, you know, sort of different vegan alternatives for meat. Look at that. Look at these beautiful mushrooms. Okay, and one more, which I think are just, yes, some more oyster mushrooms, which, oh my goodness, you can do so much with oyster mushrooms, like vegan fried chicken, you can put them in tacos, lettuce wraps. Like now, I've got another box in here. It's heavy. I'm gonna move this to the side so we can get a better look. This is the Blue Oyster Mushroom Growing Kit. So there's a bunch of instructions on the back here. So check this out. It shows what the little tent is gonna look like, everything like that when we get it set up, which is super cool. So I guess I'm gonna open this and see what's inside. Whoa, what on earth is this? I've never grown mushrooms before. Like, it's all brand new to me. Very excited about this. Also have no idea what I'm doing, so it's really good that they have all these instructions in here. I think they have instructions on their website too. I think this is what the mushrooms grow out of. That's what I'm guessing. I'm gonna put that back in the box for now. This box, like this here. I'm craving pizza right now. Like, it's giving pizza. Let's take a look again here. Finish opening up this growing kit. Okay, so we've got a little spray bottle, I'm assuming for misting the mushrooms, and little box here. Let's see. Okay, this looks like this must be our hygrometer to check the humidity and all that good stuff. Also, if you hate the tapping, I'm sorry, but I just love it. All right, let's take a look at this tent. And this is the tent, this is the size. So what I like about this, I feel like you can fit this, like I'm in a condo, I feel like you can easily fit this into a condo or an apartment. You don't need like a huge space to grow it, and it grows indoors all year. So you can grow these anywhere, anytime, as long as your temperature and humidity is correct. So we'll be checking on those, and I'm gonna make another video to show you guys how I set this all up and how I grow them. I'm very excited about this, and I'm very excited to cook with their dried mushrooms too, because sometimes you just don't feel like or don't have the time to grow something yourself. You know, we're busy. These are very convenient. They're not gonna go bad. Sometimes you get mushrooms, they go bad in the fridge. You left them too long and you can't use them, they get slimy. That's what I love about these dried mushrooms. So I'm very excited about those. And let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure you like and subscribe for more like this.